to the YouTube channel. I want to thank everyone that's subscribed so far. And if you haven't subscribed, just go down there, hit the subscription tab and the notification bell, and hit the thumbs up, thumbs down, leave comments. I appreciate everyone that's subscribed so far. And more people subscribe, because I think 95% of my viewers are not subscribed. So today's video is V-band clamps. And I'm just going to give a quick description of V-band clamps and one of the best features of them. And here I got two V-band clamps. One in the box went out. I just bought two new ones off of eBay. These are just cheap eBay ones. And probably the best thing about a V-band clamp is quick disconnect. You just loosen that up, take that off, and can disconnect A from B. And these can be used on exhaust or intakes. They have different makes and models. Your better ones have a lip in there, and then a little lip groove cut in the other one, so they line up when you better, and they don't slide around when you're clamping them together. I suppose I could put 3 tabs on here, and that would add to line these up. But I'm not going to go through that trouble. I don't actually need to install V-band clamps. That's what holds my mufflers on. And I really only needed the clamps. And the reason I need the clamp is because I stripped out those threads right there. So you got to be real careful. These strip real easy. I don't know why they don't use a heavier bolt or a longer nut. Anyway, I'm going to show you one of the best features to a V-band clamp here in a second. So let me get under the car and we'll get to it. Okay, we're under my car, and hopefully everybody can see this. And try to get my ratchet set right, and let me get this off. I'm going to show you the best feature of a V-band clamp. Let's see how long it takes to get that muffler off. There we go. That V-band clamp off, and voila, the muffler is off, and the muffler is on. Well, pretty much on. I still got to put the V-band clamp on, but basically that's what's the biggest advantage of a V-band clamp, is getting it off and on. And so that's really the biggest advantage of V-band clamp, is making quick connections, and it also gives you flexibility. Like, say you need to tweak this a little bit, go left, go right, go up or down, etc., etc. But I hope this video shows basically it. And let me see if I can get this sucker back on. Probably better off getting it on there first, and then like that, and like that. I probably should have jacked the car up first, make it a little easier, give me a little more elbow room. But here I am. In a case like this is a good example of an application where it don't take much. Now you got to be careful when using a power tool, so I don't strip it again, because I already stripped it once. So I'm just going to run it down. And get my muffler lined up perfectly. I think that's about it. Snug it up, lighten it up. Okay, and the rest I'm going to do by hand, so I don't hopefully strip it out like I did the last one. Just going to put a little pressure. I don't know what the torque rating is for this. I should probably try and find it or look it up somewhere. Sure, there's a torque rating. Even then you'd have to be careful, because it is a self-locking nut. I think for sure it's suckers. Definitely. Sticking out there. Yeah, that sucker is on there. Okay, that's it. That's all it took to swap that out. And if I needed to remove the muffler for some reason, it would take only maybe 10 minutes. Okay, back to the workbench. Alrighty, we're back to the workbench. And you can see how I stripped that out. No one's fault but mine there. I actually don't take 100% because these are cheap eBay ones, and these are stainless steel. Stainless steel is more likely to strip out than say a high quality say hardened steel ARP bolt or something like that. But personally, I believe they should have made these bigger. But like I said, the best thing about a V-clamp is how quick and easy it makes to remove piping, whether it be exhaust or intake. In this case, I don't know if you can see what I did here. In order to save it so I could use it while I was waiting on the new ones to arrive, I just stacked 2 nuts over the strip part and then put this nut here on the good thread that was still remaining. Now, a good thing about the new clamps I have is they got a little bit more, a little bit thicker nut as far as the length is, so maybe that will work a little bit better. It seems, in fact, that seems like a little bit better, the V-band part. And it seems to be working with the ones that are on there. So I honestly can't remember if these are the exact same brands that I got. They're just ones I got off of eBay. Like I said, I'll leave a link. I'll leave a link down there in the description box where I got them. And I'll be leaving links up here like about the my 90 Corvette. If you don't know about it, I'll leave links for that. And I'll leave a link about that motor. And I'll try and leave links to other stuff. But anyway, it's hot and humid. I actually have the garage door closed because it's actually cooler in the garage, and I don't want to open the door and let heat in. But I hope everyone enjoyed this short video, and gives you an idea what makes V-band clamps so useful, and benefits. And I'd say about the only benefit is like 2 plain ones like this, they just slide together. Some people will put high temperature RTV on here, and when they seal them, so it helps them seal better. But mine seem to be sealing pretty good. Like I said, I hope everybody has a happy day, and God bless. And please watch my other videos. Please subscribe. Have a good day.